What if I told you you're 30 days away from a version of yourself you've only imagined in your head? Not someday, not when the timing's right, but right now. And before you say, but I'm too out of shape, I don't know where to start, I was you. In this video, I'm gonna walk you step by step through the exact transformation blueprint I followed. And trust me, if you can breathe and move, you can do this. A few months ago, I couldn't look at myself in the mirror without feeling like I was losing control of my body, my habits, my energy. I tried crash diets, bought fancy programs, quit after 3 days, until one night, lying in bed, scrolling past yet another before and after post, something hit me. What if this time I actually stick with it? Not for a six-pack, not to impress anyone, but just to feel like me again. That night, I wrote out a 30-day challenge for myself. Not extreme, not impossible, just consistent. And it changed everything. Phase 1, the foundation. Day 1 to 7. The first 7 days aren't about muscles. They're about momentum. You're not chasing perfection. You're chasing the habit loop. So here's what I did. 15 minutes of movement every day. 1 glass of water first thing every morning. No sugary drinks. No skipping breakfast. Sounds easy, right? Too easy. That's the point. Your brain craves wins. Stack them. Why do we treat our health like a phone charger? We wait until we're at 2% before finally plugging in. You're not at 2%. You're just unplugged. Let's fix that. Phase 2, the shift. Day 8 to 14. This is where most people quit. But you've got momentum now. Let's level up. Here's what changes in week 2. Alternate days of body weight workouts and cardio. Start tracking protein intake, but don't obsess. Commit to 7+ hours of sleep. This week isn't about intensity. It's about consistency under pressure. You'll have days when motivation is gone. That's okay. Motivation is a visitor. Discipline is the one who pays rent. And guess what? You're building discipline. Mindset reset. Let me ask you something kind of weird. If your brain was a personal trainer, would it be a motivator or a bully? Most of us have trained our inner voice to tear us down. But in this challenge, you train it to coach you up. Every time you say, I can't, follow it up with yet. Every time you fall off track, remember, a single bad meal doesn't make you unhealthy. Just like one salad doesn't make you fit, progress is in the pattern. Phase 3, the wall, day 15 to 21. Okay, here's where it gets real. Week 3 is the wall. The soreness builds, cravings return, life gets busy. But this is where the transformation starts to show. Clothes feel looser, energy spikes. You start catching yourself in the mirror. Add these layers: resistance bands or light weights. Meal prep, 2 days per week. Log your workouts and wins. And here's a little secret. You're already someone who works out now. You're not trying anymore. You're becoming. Phase 4, finish strong. Day 22, 30. These last 9 days, you don't just show up. You dominate. You've proven you can move daily, eat clean, sleep better. Let's bring it home. Combine workouts into push/pull splits or full body circuits. Experiment with 16.8 intermittent fasting if you feel ready. Add a short mobility or meditation session post-workout. But most of all, reflect. You're not the same person who started. You've become someone who takes action. And here's the crazy part. Everything you just did in 30 days, you can repeat, refine, and multiply it to create your dream body. But there's one more piece most people miss. Your financial fitness is just as important. Want to know how I built a side income? That's coming in my next video, the easiest way to make money as a beginner. If this video gave you clarity or courage, comment below. I'm starting today. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs that first spark. And if you want the exact 30-day plan I followed, I've put it into a simple ebook that's cheaper than your last fast food meal. Link is in the bio. Just follow and DM me, and I'll send it to you personally. Your story isn't waiting, it's already started.